Today we'll talk about how can you enable free branch over notifications on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you just keep going down. So when here it's going to show for you notification settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you come here to free branch over, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's my free branch over enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.